How to get streaks on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Streaks help you keep track of people you message the most on TikTok through direct message or group chat. If you message with someone in direct message or group chat for 3 days in a row, a streak badge displays on the chat. You also have the option to manage a streak pet with someone through direct messages. Now, if you want to get streaks on TikTok, the first thing you want to do is head over to Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search for TikTok. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating the application, you will get new features such as Streak. If you still do not get Streak after updating the application, then you want to head over to your profile. Now tap on these three lines, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now find Notifications option. Here you want to scroll down and find the option of Streaks. Go ahead and toggle this option on. After this, you will get streaks on TikTok, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.